G'day, welcome back to the channel. Now today I've got another OMP product. It's this one, it's the S720. Now it looks quite a bit different to the T720 that I reviewed in my last video. This is the sport plane. It has the same receiver stabilization system as the T720 and the same transmitter. I've modified this transmitter to mode 1 because although I could fly the T720 quite happily due to its stability and its wonderful flight characteristics, this I'm not so sure, because this is designed to be faster, more agile, more aerobatic, and it is all those things. But I have to say right from the get-go, I'm not as much in love with this as I am with the T720. Even though this, you'd think that, you know, someone who is a seasoned flyer who enjoys aerobatics and 3D and stuff would be really happier with a faster plane. No, this plane doesn't spin my wheels nearly so well. I'm going to show you why. Okay, here we go. This uses the same 300 milliamp 2-cell battery as the T720. It fits in here really easy just to get this thing together. It's just like this. Everything clips together. Plug that in there. Put the lid on. Hopefully not too much wind noise here at the moment. Then turn on my transmitter. Wait for the LED to go solid red. There we go. And make sure this is in the normal mode. So let's go and have a fly. Here we go. I'm just going to, hopefully this wind noise isn't too bad. I should have put the muff on the microphone, but I didn't. I'll take off into the wind here. It does do rise off grass takeoffs very well, actually. It flies very well off the grass. I'm most impressed. Here we go. No trains coming, and it's away. But you notice, whoa, notice this bucking all over the sky. It's because the gyros are just too sensitive. I can't, you've got to be really careful. I'm just using aileron here, not using any elevator. The elevator is so sensitive that I'm having a great deal of difficulty just flying it. And I had hoped that the sport mode would actually reduce the gyros. If I let go of the sticks, come straight back, but there's little bits of oscillation. I'm just going to come around now. Ooh. Come around now. I might just do a pull up and then let go of the sticks. You see what the gyros do. It's gliding now. It glides so well. These things glide fantastically. Now I'll do yeah, it does a little bit of oscillation, but it is so sensitive on these sticks that this is as smooth as I can fly it. And it's not my shaky hands that I have on the meds today. Plenty of medication today. It's not my hands are shaky. It is just that this thing is so sensitive to the elevator especially. There you go, but I mean, if you're really gentle on the sticks, I've got full right aileron on there. I mean, it is. So really only the elevator I find too sensitive. Maybe that was something to do with me changing the mode on the transmitter, because they sent me mode 2 transmitters. Maybe I didn't do a very good job, so actually the more I fly it, the more I like it. But it is just so hypersensitive to the elevator in this particular case, which is unfortunate. But the glide is fantastic. Look at it. I could thermal saw this today, no problems. Yeah, no, I'm growing to like this more and more now. As long as I don't play with the elevators, it's all good. Yeah, actually, yeah. I'm starting to take back. Maybe I just didn't have enough flight time before. Oh yeah, I like it. Look at this, a man's opinion has changed in one flight. How can that be? Maybe I'll try the sport mode now and see what happens. Wow, that's super. Can I do a loop? Oh yeah, that's pretty. Wow, can I do a roll? Yeah, it does rolls, loops and rolls. Yeah, actually I'm growing to like this now. Damn, I was going to give it a bad review, but I'm actually starting to like it. It is hypersensitive, but whoa, yeah, a bit of down, too much down there. I'm actually growing to like this more and more. This is actually getting really good. Oh, no, you can't have this back. I'm keeping this one. It's brilliant. Oh man, see how someone can just change their opinion. Just, yeah, no, this is fun now. I'm liking this. Woo, swoopy. I'm probably going to crash it and test the flight durability. Just go back to the stable mode. and now it's just so much stabler. And if I let's get it all out of shake, let go, and it just comes back. Yeah, no, this is, yeah, I'm having trouble again. If it wasn't so sensitive, I might actually wonder if I could cut down the elevator area a little bit, make it less sensitive to the elevator stick, because it's still, whoa, look at that, you know, it is so sensitive, but I guess you just get used to it. I'm getting used to it now. Let's just do a low pass for the camera. Gliding, it's just gliding, look at it, it's just still going. Glides forever. I wonder if the rudder is a good way to turn it. Oh, I've got full left rudder on. Look at it. It's just doing control line circles. It's brilliant. Look at it. Control line circles. Absolutely fantastic. You can't get into trouble. I could just steer it around with the rudder and just leave the elevator alone. And it's almost as good as the T720. Yeah, this is great. Let's see if I can do a right-hand turn with the rudder. Oh, look at it. Doesn't even lose any altitude in the... Oh, it did go a bit wobbly there, but... Oh, no. Actually, yeah. No, sorry. This is fun. I'm going to fly this a whole lot more this summer. I just got off to a bad start, and it's still really... You can see it, getting the pitch sorted sometimes is a bit of a mission. Like that. But, ooh. Oh, well, look at that. Can I taxi it back? I can. Even taxi it. Look at that. Woohoo. Yep. Yeah. Okay, I'm sold. Yeah. I'm sold. This is a fun... Look at the gyros. Fantastic. Oh, sounds great. Let's go. Okay, so there we go in the course of one short flight. I completely changed my mind about this model. I still don't like the aggressiveness of the elevators, but I got used to it. Just wasn't what I was expecting. And yeah, it is a challenging model to fly, I've got to say, but it's kind of challenging, kind of not. It is perplexing, but it's fun. And I mean, the whole thing about this hobby is we've got to have some fun. Far too many regulations and so forth. Under 250 grams, so you can fly your heart out on this thing. You don't have to get involved. Don't go on the offenders list. You can get one of these and have a heap of fun. And it's just in the stable mode, in the normal mode, it's just so stable. As long as you don't tinker with the elevators and stuff. But you can fly around. If this was just a rudder-only model, brilliant. You can control the altitude with the throttle and you can steer it with the rudder. So simple. Ailerons, well, you can do, you saw I did rolls and loops, does all those things. Yeah, and it's not even broken yet. But if I did have a hard landing, you get a spare prop, the wings pop off, you get 2 batteries, so you can get a lot of flight time. And I mean, this pack has lasted probably 10 minutes on that little 300 milliamp pack. Brilliant fun. Oh, fantastic. I'm sold. If I had to choose between the two, I've got to say I'd probably take the T720 because it's just more relaxing. This is not really relaxing. This is, you get the adrenaline going a little bit. There's a T720, I'm going to put FPV in that. A lot of people asked in the T720 review, wouldn't it be a good FPV model? Yes. One thing to be aware of though is that they only claim 200 meters of range for the radio equipment. But if you're flying close proximity, who cares? That's heaps. So I might put the little RunCam 200 milliwatt system, which is the camera and the piggyback FPV transmitter. I might put that in the T720 and fly that on the weekend, see how we get on. That could be a lot of fun, Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the review as much as I've enjoyed making it. And there are links in the description. They are not affiliate links. There's more product information, and the manufacturer gave me a link to Amazon where you can buy the product if you feel so inclined to do so. And if you think it's good value and you want to have a bit of fun, then there's a lot worse things on the market. Trust me, I know. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. To the comments with you. Have your say. You got one of these? Would you like one of these? And thank you to my Patreon supporters. No mid-roll ads again. Woo! Thank you. Okay. Enjoy the Black Friday sales. Bye for now.